Hello guys, I am from Gogras Maths Hub. I am going to explain question number 2, exercise 6.1. The question is, the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How far is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 2 centimeter? Here it says, the question says, the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast? How fast means how time is going. Surface area increasing when length of an edge is 2 centimeter. So here you can see 8 centimeter cube per second means this is the unit of volume. So here I shall write solution. Imply that let the volume of cube be capital V centimeter cube per second and the surface area at any instant time be capital S centimeter square and the edge means side of cube be x centimeter. Here I have let the volume of cube be V centimeter cube per second and the surface area at any instant t be s centimeter square and edge side of cube be x centimeter. So here the unit given centimeter cube per second means volume per second. So here I shall write, given that dV over dt is equal to here 8 centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube means volume, per second time. dV over dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. It is given that dV over dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second, comma, to find here how fast is surface area increasing. How fast surface area increasing, how fast means how time is passing with respect to surface area. So we have to find out the surface area with respect to time. To find ds over dt is equal to what? Note of integration. This is a sign of note of integration. So we have got dv over dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. So we know that here I shall write. We know that volume of a cube is equal to capital V equal to, here the edge side of a cube be x centimeter. So here you will get x multiplied to x multiplied to x, you will get capital V equal to x raised to the power 3, x cube. Volume you have got x cube centimeter cube, and here I shall write surface area of cube equal to S equal to cube has the 6 edges. So surface area of cube capital S will be 6x square, where x is the side of a cube. Centimeter square, never forget to write unit here. Never forget to write appropriate unit at the appropriate place. So we have got surface area of cube equal to this one. Here now capital V is equal to x cube. Or now we have to find dv over dt. It is given that. So here I shall write differentiating capital V WRT x implied that differentiating V WRT t time d over dt of capital V equal to d over dt of x cube, implied that dv over dt equal to d over dt of x cube. Here in center function x is available and denominator t is available. Both are different. That's why d will be conjugated into x, dt over dx will be multiplied. For time being, let x equal to t. You will get d over dt of t cube comes out to be 3t cube. In place of t, I shall write x square. For time being, if you write in place of x t, it will become d over dt of t cube. We will get here 3t square. In place of t, I shall write x. So you have got 3x square and d will be conjugated to x, dx over dt will be multiplied. So you have got d over dt equal to 3x square dot dx over dt. And now here it is given d over dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. So here again I shall write 3x square dot dx over dt is equal to 8. Imply that 8 centimeter cube per second. So we shall get dx over dt. Dx over dt comes out to be 8 over 3x square we have got. This will be written as centimeter per second. This thing we have got. Dx over dt is equal to 8 over 3x square centimeter per second we have got. We have got dx over dt is equal to 8 over 3x square centimeter per second. We have to find out ds over dt. So here I shall write now s is equal to 6x square dwrt t. So we shall get implied that d over dt of s is equal to d over dt of 6x square comes out to be ds over dt is equal to 12x dot d over dt of 6x square. Here in center function x is available, in denominator t is available. X and t are different. That's why d will be conjugated to x, comes out to be dx over dt. Here in place of x, if you write here t, d over dt of 6t square comes out to be 12t. In place of t, I shall write here x. And dx over dt will be multiplied. Here never forget to write unit. So here you write the unit centimeter per second, because the unit of surface area is centimeter square. T is there in denominator, the second I shall write. So we have got implied that ds over dt is equal to 12x dot, in place of dx over dt, dx over dt I shall write 8 over 3x square. So here write 8 over 3x square I shall write. These three will be cancelled out. Here we will get 4. Implied that ds over dt is equal to this x, this x will be cancelled out. 4 it is a 32. 32 over x we shall get. Centimeter square per second. ds over dt we have got 32 over x centimeter square per second we have got. Now it says the length of hand is 2 centimeter. So here write when the edge of cube equal to 2 centimeter, then this is not 2 centimeter, this is 12. This is 12 centimeter. Just check in the question what is written, 12 here 2. 12 centimeter it is written. So this is 12 centimeter. So here we will get then ds over dt equal to 32 over, in place of x I shall write 12, implied that ds over dt equal to 8 into 4 over 3 into 4 comes out to be 8 4 ja 32 and 3 4 ja 12. This 4 will be cancelled out. We will get here ds over dt equal to 8 over 3 centimeter square per second. Answer will be, answer you have got, answer equal to 8 over 3 centimeter square per second we have got. This will be the correct answer. Just I shall check the answer whether it is correct or not. Yes. Answer will be 8 over 3 centimeter square per second. This is the proper explanation of question number 2, exercise 6.1, chapter 6, application of derivative of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.